Welcome back to WFMY News 2 at 9. Hospitals always need more blood donations, and summertime is an especially dire time. WFMY News 2 is teaming up with the American Red Cross for our annual summer blood drive. It is next Wednesday. Joining us in studio is with the Red Cross manager, Hope Martin. Thank you so much for staying with us. If you were just joining us on the stream, we had a great conversation about this tradition we all love here in the Triad. Let's first talk about the need this summer. You mentioned donations are down, people are traveling, and you need all blood types at this drive.
Correct, and we do, and that's where we're asking for everyone to come out because the Red Cross is focused on making sure we have that right match. So that could be someone with sickle cell disease, those that are African American and Black, they're more that likely match. So we definitely need those individuals to come out. And like I mentioned, type O definitely is that universal blood supply, but we just want to make sure that we are meeting our patients' needs. So that could be a cancer patient, that could be someone that's getting a hip replacement, that can also be a mother that's delivering prematurely. So if they do need to have a blood transfusion, we just want to make sure that right match is there and making sure that we have that adequate blood supply.
I think a lot of folks have never realized the need for blood until they're in that situation. I remember after delivering one of my children, you know, I was a candidate for a potential transfusion, and I just thought back to all these blood drives and how thankful I was that everybody takes time out of their day to give the gift of life.
Correct.
What about summer travel? Say someone has traveled abroad. Does that automatically preclude that person from being eligible to donate, or are those questions that will be flushed out in the screening process?
That is accurate. So they're able to go through our screening process. They'll be able to know if they're eligible or ineligible to donate. And so once you actually come in to donate, we do have a pre-questionnaire called our Rapid Pass. You'll go through that, and then you will actually speak with one of our donor recruitment staff, and they'll be able to let you know if you're eligible to donate.
That's amazing, and we touched on this earlier, and I think it's so cool, where if you donate the gift of life, you can actually see your impact come full circle with the Red Cross app. How does that work?
Yes, so you're able to download our Red Cross app. You'll be able to see your blood journey, and then it will let you know where your blood is actually going. It does not let you know who, but it does let you know where your blood is going and how you have impacted.
And most of these blood donations stay locally, right?
They do. We do have that blood supply that does stay local, but we also meet the need on a national level as well. So we just want to make sure that when you do donate, just know that you are saving lives locally and on a national level.
Blood supply, keeping it active is so important. We've seen a number of instances just this last week of regional natural disasters, emphasizing that need to keep the supply on par with what the needs could be.
That is correct. I mean, because we never know when things happen. We never know what the need may be. And so I think it's always best to make sure that you're being intentional and being purposeful to say, you know, let me go in and make a blood donation. And so that if those individuals that may need to have those transfusions, that blood is available. And a lot of people say, well, I can't donate. And if you can't, we understand that. We just ask that you may want to host a blood drive.
Sure.
Advocacy is everything.
Yes.
Education and bringing that awareness as of the why is also important as well.
That's so important. Anything you can do to support this effort. Thank you so much, Hope.
Thank you.
We are so looking forward to next week. Here is the information on your screen one more time. You can walk in or make an appointment. The Super Summer Blood Drive is next Wednesday, July 23rd from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Piedmont Hall at the Greensboro Coliseum Complex. Thank you in advance.